Hi. To start with the recipe, first, let your 3-pound tri-tip roast sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial because it helps the meat cook more evenly. While you're waiting, you can prepare your workspace. Once the time is up, pat the roast dry with paper towels. You'll know it's ready when the surface feels dry to the touch, which helps the seasoning stick better. Next, massage the roast with a bit of avocado oil, just enough to coat it lightly. Then, sprinkle salt, rosemary, and thyme to taste. Make sure to cover all sides evenly. The trick here is to press the herbs into the meat gently, so they adhere well. You'll know you've done it right when the roast is evenly coated and you can smell the fragrant herbs. Now, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. This step is important because a hot air fryer will sear the meat, locking in the juices. If your air fryer has a preheat setting, use it. Otherwise, let it run empty for about 5 minutes. You'll know it's ready when you feel the heat coming from the fryer. By the way, since many of you ask about this air fryer that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Once the air fryer is preheated, place the roast inside and sear it for 10 to 12 minutes. This will give the outside a nice brown crust. Pay attention here. You'll know it's seared properly when the surface is a deep golden brown. This step is crucial for flavor, so don't rush it. While the roast is searing, dice 1.5 pounds of Yukon gold potatoes into bite-sized pieces. Spray them with a bit of oil and sprinkle with salt. Cut 1 yellow onion into eighths. This will add flavor and texture to your dish. The potatoes should be evenly coated with oil, and you'll know they're ready when they glisten. After the initial searing, add the potatoes, onions, and as many baby carrots as you like around the roast in the air fryer. Spray the vegetables lightly with oil. This helps them cook evenly and develop a nice roasted flavor. Make sure the vegetables are spread out and not piled up so they cook properly. Reduce the air fryer temperature to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, 182 degrees Celsius, and cook everything for 20 minutes. This lower temperature ensures the roast cooks through without burning the outside. You'll know it's time to check when you start smelling the delicious aroma of roasted meat and vegetables. Check the internal temperature of the meat with a meat thermometer. It should read at least 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius for medium rare. Stir the vegetables to ensure even cooking. If the meat isn't done, continue cooking in 5-minute increments. You'll know it's perfect when the thermometer reads your desired doneness. Once the roast is done, remove it from the air fryer and let it rest, tented with foil, for at least 10 minutes. This step is crucial because it allows the juices to redistribute, making the meat tender and juicy. You'll know it's rested enough when the juices have settled and the meat feels firm but not hard. If you prefer your vegetables a bit more roasted, you can continue cooking them in the air fryer while the meat rests. Just keep an eye on them and stir occasionally. You'll know they're done when they're tender and have a nice golden color. Finally, slice the roast against the grain and serve it with the roasted vegetables. The meat should be juicy and easy to cut, and the vegetables should be tender and flavorful. Enjoy your perfectly cooked air fryer roast beef with your family or friends. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.